Hi, my name is Melissa Majori with Alessi Bakery in Tampa, Florida. I'm going to be showing you how to remove the corrugated board off of the top tier of your 3-tier wedding cake. You're basically going to need a small paring knife with a serrated edge. You're going to gently push into the corrugated board, cutting the board around the perimeter of the cake. Gently pulling the corrugated board down towards the table or underneath your turntable wheel. You want to make sure that you cut close to the cake enough to remove the corrugated board, yet you don't want to gouge the cake or remove any actual cake from the cake tier. And then after that, you should have the perfect size to actually take this top tier and put it on the top of your 3-tier wedding cake. My name is Melissa Majori with Alessi Bakery in Tampa, Florida, and I've just shown you how to remove the corrugated board from the bottom of your top tier of your wedding cake.